Samantala, sa US, kuha sa isang video ang isang trahedya kung saan dalawang eroplano ang nagbagaan sa isang airshow. Babala po sa maselang bidyong inyong mapapanood sa report na ito. Trahedya nitong Sabado sa Dallas, Texas.
Dios mío!
Dalawang vintage aircraft sa wings over Dallas Airshow ang nagbanggaan sa Dallas Executive Airport na siyang dahilan ng pagbagsak ng parehong eroplano at pagsabog. 6 ang naitalang patay.
So at approximately 1:15 today, we had 2 aircraft flying. One's a B-17, one is a P-63. The B-17 normally has a crew of 4 to 5. That was what was on the aircraft. And the P-63 is a single piloted fighter type aircraft.
Ayon sa Pangulo at CEO ng Commemorative Air Force, isang grupong nakatuon sa pangangalaga ng World War II combat aircraft. Ito'y pinapalipad ng mga highly trained volunteers, kadalasan mga retiradong piloto.
The maneuvers that they were going through were not dynamic at all. It was what we call bombers on parade. But beyond that, there's not a lot for me to say. This is not about the aircraft. It's just not, I can tell you. The aircraft are great aircraft. They're safe. They're very well maintained. The pilots are very well trained. So it's difficult for me to talk about it because I know all these people. These are family.
Agad rumesponde ang mga emergency crews sa pagsabog. Kinilala ng Federal Aviation Administration ang dalawang eroplano mula World War II era, ang Boeing B-17 Flying Fortress bomber at Bell P-63 King Cobra fighter. Sa ilang aerial footage, makikita ang kalat-kalat na mga piraso mula sa bumagsak na aircraft.
The families are being taken care of. They're receiving counseling. Not just of those actively participating in the issue, but also the CAF folks and any folks here that may have seen it and have issues with what they saw, and obviously with our first responders. We want to make sure that they're supported as well.
Iniimbestigahan na ng Federal Aviation Administration at National Transportation Safety Board ang insidente.